My name is Damani from Belle Tire, Royal Oak, Michigan. I'm an assistant manager. Today we're going to talk about road trips and making sure that your vehicle is safe for you when you're traveling. One of the things that we're going to do right now, which is very key, making sure that your tread on your tires are good. All of our locations are salesmen. We have tread depth gauges. You want to make sure that when you are driving that you have good tread on the tires. Right here it shows that it's in the green, so you're good as far as tread goes. You don't have to worry about lack of traction. Another thing that we're going to check is where we're going to check your air pressure to make sure that you get good gas mileage and you don't have to worry about your tires wearing out on you prematurely. It's also a good idea when you're going on your road trip to come on in so we could check your oil level for you. Also check and see if you need your oil change done, because the last thing we want you to do is actually do damage to your engine. Proper oil level also helps improve gas mileage. You could come on in, any one of our sales staff and mechanics will be more than happy to check your oil level, make sure that you're good for your road trip. For your traveling kit, we recommend this on any vehicle. Jumper cables, first aid kit, sunscreen, flashlights with extra batteries, water, snacks, a poncho, and your emergency kit. You want to make sure that you check all of your lights as well. Your front headlights, your brake lights, your turn signals, your emergency lights, because you don't want to be stuck out on the side of the road with those emergency lights not working, and you want to avoid getting those tickets from traveling in other states. Another thing that you want to make sure that you check is one of the things that a lot of people tend to forget, making sure that you have a jack in your car. Make sure you have your tire iron as well, so that way you can loosen up your lugs. And one of the things that we'll do for you as well is make sure that your spare has a proper amount of air in it. How many times do we actually check it on our own? You definitely don't want to put this on and have it completely flat. So we checked your air pressure, checked your tread on your tires, made sure all your lighting was good, your spare, your travel kit. Lastly but not least, have fun on your trip, and when you're ready to come back, we'll be happy to serve you.